if you want to generate out vines with leaves inside of Blender, then you can use the IvyGen plugin. So to do that, I'm just going to go around, delete off this object right here. I'm going to press Shift A, and then I'm going to go around onto Mesh, bring in a torus right here. So now, in order to work around with the IvyGen plugin, first of all, I need to press Tab right here, and I need to select a point where I want the IvyGen plugin to start creating vines from. So over here, I'm going to go around, press Shift S right here, and click on cursor to selection, because 3D cursor is the origin point for the IvyGen plugin. So now I'm going to press Tab, and to work around with the IvyGen plugin, I first need to enable it. And to enable it, I need to go around into Edit, and then I can go to Preferences right here. And from Preferences, you can see IvyGen is an option. Let me just go around, enable IvyGen right here, and close this out. So now what I can do is I can expand this out right here, and in Create, you can see Ivy Generator is an option. Once you click on Ivy Generator, here you can see you can add new Ivy right here. Once you click on it, you can see that it has been generated right here. So vines like leaves and everything is generated according to the setting that you chose right here. So I'm going to generate this out from another point as well. So I'm going to press Tab on my keyboard, and from another location just like this, I'm going to go around, and then I'm going to press Shift S, and then click on cursor to selection. So I'm going to change out the random seed right here, maybe increase around the time a bit as well. And Ivy length, let me increase this out into 3 meters. Click on this, and now what happens is that you can see that it has been generated on that particular area as well. Similarly, I'm going to press Tab right here, select this out right here, and I'm going to press Shift A, not Shift A, but Shift S right here, and I'm going to go around into selection, not selection to cursor, but I'm just going to go around, press Shift S, and I'm going to go around cursor to selected right here, press Tab, and you can go around, increase out the length. You can also increase out the size right here, max float length, and work around with the weight, the random weight right here, and so forth. So you can try around the leaf size and so forth, as you can see, and then add new ivy right here, and that is how it works, as you can see. So according to like the size and everything, you can see that it generated everything out in different way. So you can also go around right here, generate it out right here. So this is what you have. So if I were to go around right here, you can see that this is what you have right here. So these are ranges of flat surfaces where you can apply any textures over here as well. So now, in order to see more details of this, I'm just going to go around over here onto the render engine and change this out into cycles. So once I do that, this is what you have, as you can see. So you can see that everything else right here. So there's the level of detail, as you can see right here. So you can see that it has really generated out the level of details right here. So you want to create something like a bush or anything, then the Ivy generator can really help you out with that. And that is how you can work around with the IvyGen plugin inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.